Yeah, hi. We are from svsembedded. The project title name is IoT-based air pollution monitoring system using Arduino GPRS modem. So in this project, we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source, and it converts to 5 volts pure DC output, and it gives to Arduino Uno R3. And here we are using three sensors. Those are LM35 temperature sensor, MQ6 gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor. Those are connected with A0, A1, A2 analog inputs, and one cooling fan. Depend upon the temperature and it will control the cooling fan. MQ6 and one buzzer alert. MQ9 one relay coil and one DC bulb. 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. Those are the pin numbers are RS enabled D4, D5, D6, D7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, and one SPDT relay, one bulb, and a GPRS modem SIM 800C connected with RxTX and 0 and 1. So here we are using one web app. So IoT based air pollution monitoring system, and we can see the full data of the temperature in gas sensor and carbon monoxide sensor and date and time. Okay, so it will update continuously. Okay, then main screen, I already logged in temperature sensor, gas sensor and carbon monoxide sensor. So here we are using 0 to 9 volts adapter power source. We are using 0 to 9 volt 1 ampere adapter power source, and that comes to bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, 1 LED, 5 volts power supply module, and here we are using one GSM GPRS modem SIM 800C. So you can use Idea, Airtel, Vodafone, BSNL, 2G, 3G, 4G SIM card, SMS balance, main balance, internet balance. Press it, it will come outside. Okay, so here I am using Idea SIM card, Idea. Okay, Idea 3G SIM card I am using. Okay, flat and the cut should be always outside. Now I am going to insert the SIM card. Okay, cut should be outside. Press it, it will go inside. GPRS modem SIM 800C, and this is antenna and the GPRS module, SIM module. So power supply board, and here is the Arduino Uno R3 board, USB reset button. If you want to press reset, you can press reset. This is USB programming and power socket, and 80 mega 328 controller IC, 16x2 LCD display, character LCD display. So the pin numbers are 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. LM35 temperature sensor connected to the A0, MQ6 gas sensor connected with the A1, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor connected to the A2, and a relay coil and one DC bulb and one cooling fan, MQ6 and alarm. Okay, so now I am starting the power supply. IoT based air pollution monitoring system using Arduino, temperature, MQ6, MQ9 gas sensors, GPRS modem connected. So I already inserted the SIM card. Okay, CGATT, it is checking the internet. GPRS setting, GPRS main, GPRS started. HTTP hypertext transfer protocol enabled. T for temperature, depend upon the temperature, fan speed control, MQ6, MQ9. So all three sensors data continuously updating. If every 10 counts, it will send the data to server. Now I am increasing the temperature. Sending the data to web page. So now I am increasing the temperature. Temperature also updated. Every 10 counts, it will send the data to server. Temperature, MQ6, MQ9, send completed. If anything happen, it will send the SMS alert. Send okay. Send completed. Okay, now we got the SMS alert also. 11:37 over temperature alert, temperature 44. Okay, sending SMS alert, and it is sending the two SMS alerts, one for me, other one is the student mobile number. Okay, 11:38 temperature alert also came, and I am going for the gas alert. Okay, I am giving the gas. Okay, sending sensor data to web page. Alarm also on. Alarm on. Gas sensor alert. Okay, send completed. Chrome. Okay, gas sensor alert sent. Okay, sending SMS alert, one for me, other one is the student mobile number. Okay, and here also it came SMS alert, gas alert. Okay, high gas alert. So now I'm going for the carbon monoxide alert. Okay, sensors data sending. Okay, every 10 counts it will update the present data. Okay, send completed. Every 10 counts it will update the present data. Okay, okay, gas sensor I am giving. Okay, LED on. Okay, so sending the data to web page. MQ9 LED, MQ6 alarm, temperature, fan control. Depend upon the temperature dependent fan speed control, gas sensor alarm, MQ9 red LED indicators. Yeah, gas sensor alert, and we will get the SMS alert also. Okay, yeah, SMS sent. High carbon monoxide alert. So if it is below set point, everything should be normal. Above set point, above alert, then it will send the alert messages. Power supply board, GPRS modem, LM35 temperature sensor, 16 cross to LCD display, MQ6 carbon gas sensor, MQ9 carbon monoxide sensor, and a relay and one red LED and power supply board. Arduino R3 board.